There is nothing like a good homemade chocolate chip cookie, and today we're so lucky to have Cara and Tanna Fox join me in the Studio 5 kitchen to share what they call their iconic chocolate chip cookies. Comes from Mom. We should give credit where credit is due, right?
Absolutely. Our mother was an amazing chef, and she made these cookies every Sunday. So we've carried that tradition with our children, and they just know to expect them every Sunday.
It's the best of what cooking can be, which is tradition, right?
Yeah.
There's memories in every bite, and I love that she kept up that ritual for your family. I also love how passionate people get about their chocolate chip cookie, right? Like, when you find your recipe. Kick us off. How do we do this?
So I start with 2 cubes of softened butter, and then to that we add a 3/4 a cup of sugar.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do a cup of packed brown sugar.
Now, Tanna, you're the nutritionist. Is this killing you as you pour sugar into this bowl?
No, it's amazing. Balance in all things,
okay,
right?
Good girl, yeah.
That's how I...
And then we add a tablespoon of vanilla. Tanna and I happened to make vanilla last year, so we
Christmas,
brought our own vanilla.
So we just did a tutorial in January on the show because it has to sit for that.
Oh, yeah, we started it in the spring, I think,
Right,
summer.
I thought we were crazy. I read the notes and it says for a Christmas neighbor gift, and it was January, and I'm like, what is happening here? So you did it. You made your own vanilla.
Yes.
Worth it?
Totally worth it.
I think so,
and it gets better with every year, too.
That's
So
fun.
it can sit on the shelf for 5 years.
Tablespoon of vanilla, I add 2 eggs, and then we just mix until combined. And I do have to say, my biggest secret is I hate overmixing. Overmixed cookies, it just ruins the texture.
Okay.
Okay, so once this is mixed, we're gonna do our dry ingredients.
Okay.
So that is 2 3/4 cups flour.
There it goes.
And then this is kind of our other secret ingredient.
This is one of the reasons why these are iconic.
Family secret.
Family secret right here.
The texture, it's the cornstarch.
Cornstarch in a cookie.
Yes.
Who knew? A chocolate chip cookie.
Cornstarch.
Yeah.
And we do a 1/2 cup of that.
So you notice a difference in the texture.
Absolutely.
And kind of the way it puffs up.
They're beautiful.
And you can make them bigger so they actually have some substance.
Okay.
And it's because of the cornstarch.
I'm going to try it, ladies.
A teaspoon. I do a little, like a teaspoon and 1/4.
More salt is always better.
More salt is better.
I know. And Tanna, cover
flavor.
your ears. I like bring on the sugar, bring on the sodium.
And then a 3/4 of baking soda.
Now, your mom, you mentioned this was her recipe and this was her tradition every Sunday. Did she always have you around, like cooking with her?
Oh, yeah,
always.
We were.
We know
it by
full
heart.
of cookies or brownies and just watching and
that
always
was
living.
so fun. All during the week, she would have a cake stand out with, you know, the new baked good that she had made that day or from Sunday. Just our favorite thing to go into the kitchen.
This is the other secret.
Okay.
Like a chocolate chip cookie is a chocolate chip cookie, but this is the other secret right here.
So we add our chocolate chips right now.
Before it's all mixed in.
Okay.
Right?
And I feel like once they get that coating of flour, they don't sink to the bottom when they're baking.
This
so
is
and it helps just, you know,
this is my kind of science.
It's easy, you know, it's just dump in one bowl.
Yeah.
Make it as easy as possible. So this, we just mix, again, just until combined. Do not overmix.
All right, don't overmix. Then we bring them together, bake it up.
Yes, and then we do, you know, we do really big
cookie scoops
balls.
worth?
Yes, so we do 6 per tray.
Okay.
So it really just makes 12 cookies. You can make them smaller.
Yeah, I was going to say, when you make them, you probably use 2 or 3 scoops.
Okay.
You just kind of
Did
pack them
this
together.
recipe make it into the book?
Yes.
Ta-da!
Oh, there it is. There it is. All right, ladies, congratulations on the book, The Joy of Kitchens. Thank you for being here with us.
Thank you for having us.
And we should emphasize, I know you get asked a lot with both the last name Fox. This is 2 sisters who married 2 brothers. That's amazing. You're at every family party together.
We love it so much.
Our best friends. Our kids are best friends.
It's my dream come true. That's fantastic. You guys, thank you. Congratulations. Lovely to have you.